If you need paint, rust, or grime removed, then you need Dustless Blasting. This machine is the future of surface preparation. It obliterates even the toughest coatings faster than a fat kid's heartbeat while chasing an ice cream truck. And it does it without creating a plume of dust, which means blasting can be done just about anywhere. Now you may be quietly wondering to yourself, how can Dustless Blasting remove the toughest coatings without creating a plume of dust? Water. Our system mixes water and abrasive inside the blast pot. Since water has more mass than air, the blast has way more impact against tough coatings. Don't believe me? Watch what happens when I throw this handful of dry sand at those cups. Nothing. Let's watch that instant replay. Stupid. Now watch what happens when I throw this handful of wettish sand at the cups. Now we're talking. Luckily, we've got a nationwide network of contractors who are ready to blast your problems away. Folks like Have a Blast Dustless Blasting LLC in Claremore, Oklahoma. Precision Surface Preparation in Sacramento, California. WCS Eco Blasting in Columbus, Texas. And Kentuckiana Dustless Blasting in Radcliffe, Kentucky. So hey, if you need anything at all blasted, be sure to get a hold of your local Dustless Blasting business owner. And if you want to be the business owner in your area, check out our website. Have a great week.